MapGenie Elden Ring Map is an Android application designed to provide players of the popular video game Elden Ring with an interactive map to enhance their gaming experience. This app is particularly valuable for gamers looking to explore the vast open world of Elden Ring, locate important items, and uncover hidden secrets within the game. Key features typically include a detailed, zoomable map that highlights various locations, points of interest, and resources. Users can find essential markers such as dungeons, bosses, crafting materials, and NPCs, allowing for more efficient exploration and strategy planning. The app often allows users to filter the map according to their needs, helping them focus on specific areas or objectives. Additionally, MapGenie Elden Ring Map may support features such as user-generated content, where players can add their own markers and notes, share tips, and collaborate with other players. The app usually provides a straightforward interface, making it easy for players to navigate and access information quickly while playing the game.